Let's have a look at how the translation tool within Analysis Transform can help you look at your survey results in different ways. We can translate the survey data in the X, Y or Z axis over the design data to achieve a fit that differs from the default result. This means we are able to move the whole spool as one in the direction selected. Select Transform to get started. Select a flange from the drop-down as an origin point. It doesn't matter which flange you select. The X, Y, and Z boxes show you the coordinates at the position of the selected item. Once selected, the axis options appear below. We can translate the survey results over the design using this box and these axis tools. With the example survey on screen, we are going to even out the errors between pipe ends 1 and 2. We use the north and south arrows to nudge the survey results in 1 mm increments to do this. With the example survey on screen, we are going to even out the errors between pipe ends 1 and 2. See how the error value is now split between the two ends. We will do this with each axis just to show how this works. Now let's edit the error in the X-axis. And now the Z-axis. Using these translate tools, we have now separated out the error between these two pipe ends in all three axes.